we go with today's recipe. We're making Fiesta Beans. I've got 2 pounds of pintos. I've got about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to throw in a heaping tablespoon, or a heaping teaspoon I should say, of chili powder. Heaping teaspoon of cumin. A teaspoon of black pepper. About 2 teaspoons of salt. I've got a brisket going on the smoker. So I've got a little piece I had left that I smoked, chopped up. I'll pour that in there. I'm putting 6 slices of bacon that I cut in half. So it's going to actually be 12 half slices here. Then I've got 2 green bell peppers, 2 red bell peppers, 2 orange bell peppers, and about a half a cup of onion I've diced up. That's going to go in here. Then I'm going to top it all off with some water. So all together I've put about 13 cups of water. Just going to take this over and drop it down in the Instant Pot. So I will see you over there. We're at the Instant Pot. I'm going to come through, hit my manual button, but I'm going to go up for an hour at a time because I want to stop it and give them a stir and see where we're at. I've left it on the venting option, and when it gets closer to time to eat and to pull the brisket and start carving it up for supper, then I will pressure cook them the rest of the way. Hey guys, we're going to do a quick check-in. These things are looking amazing. I'm just going to set them to pressure cook the rest of the way, so we'll be back when they're done. Okay y'all, these beans are done and they look delicious and taste delicious too. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.